How to change profile photo on Meta Business Suite. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your profile photo on your Meta Business Suite. So for that, just open your Meta Business Suite account, and after that just log into your account. And in order to change your profile picture, on the left hand side menu you will see this drop down icon from your right beside your business settings. So just click on it, and there you will see your account. So changing your Meta Suite business profile would be the same process as changing your Facebook profile photo. So I'm gonna do just that. So just click on your account, and then just click on continue setup and click on OK. And here you will see the option to change or add a profile picture. So just click on add profile picture, and now just select any of the pictures of your choice from your gallery. And for example, I'm putting on this particular picture. So just click on open, and as you can see that the profile picture has been uploaded. Now all you have to do is just enter all your details and click on create page, and there your profile picture will also be changed. So this is how you can change the profile photo on Meta Business Suite. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.